What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to use the custom mode feature on Suno AI. So right here on Suno AI, once you get to suno.com/create, or of course you could go to the create button right here and click on it, you're going to look at the top right here. You can see simple and then you can see custom. Now once you click on custom, there are other things you could do to customize your creation. You could write some lyrics or prompt or leave it blank for instrumental. Then of course you could write the style. So we're going to say Afro beats, and we also have drums and trumpet. Then of course you have your lyrics. You could use the AI to write a lyric. When we click on it, it says write a full song. So we're going to click on write a full song. And then here you're going to describe the lyrics you want, or go ahead and share a theme or a topic. So we're just going to say dance hall and party. So we're just going to have that. We're going to say theme. Of course, in your case, you could be more elaborate and more descriptive, because with more descriptions or with a better description, you will have a better outcome. So you want to take note of that. Then you have the classic lyrics model. Once you click on it, you can see either classic or Remy. You could choose any of these and then go ahead and click write lyrics. So right here you have two options. The first is move it all night, and the second, feel the vibe. Let's say we want to say move it all night, so we're going to click select this option. And there you have your verse one, basically the whole lyrics to everything. Then you also have your styles, and you also have some advanced options right here which you could play with. If you'd like to increase the weirdness or reduce it, you could do that because it's currently at 50%, and the style influence, it's currently also at 50%. The custom feature or the custom mode allows you to make some preferential adjustments to what you'd like to have as the output of what Suno would provide. And then you have the vocal gender, so you could say female, and so far so good. We have some inputs in these different areas. So we're going to click on create at this point in order to create a song from what we have so far. So you can go ahead and click on create. So right here we have about 4 options. You have move all night, and these are other options. So we're going to click play. So this is how to use the custom mode feature on Suno AI.